everyone, day 28 video. Today is going to be kind of a random video because I was in need of making my dog her flea collar. So I thought you might be interested in learning how to make an all-natural flea collar for your pet. And what you need is you need a cloth type of collar, and so you can soak it. And the next thing we're going to do, the first thing is we're going to use distilled water again. We want to use distilled water, and we need 4 ounces. So we're just going to measure it in a half a cup. And I'm going to pour it in this glass container. You always want to use glass or stainless steel when you're mixing oil. Usually when you're mixing oils, it's safer that way. Okay, to do this, you just need the 4 ounces of water. And then you need to have 10 drops of lemongrass. Lemongrass, it has natural insecticide properties. So we're going to use 10 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 drops of lemongrass. And then we need 10 drops of eucalyptus. Eucalyptus also has properties of for insecticide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, the oils have different consistencies. Some of them are thinner than others, but this is eucalyptus. And then the last one is TerraShield. It's actually a blend that doTERRA makes, and it has several different oils in it. And it is only for insecticide purposes. This one is not taken internally. Lemongrass is one you can use internally. And so, actually this eucalyptus you can't use internally either. So, but this TerraShield is great for not only for your pet, but for yourself. You can use, blend some of this with some coconut oil or a carrier oil and apply it to your skin to repel pests like mosquitoes or ticks. So this is a great way to protect your pet. And this one we're also going to add 10 drops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we want to, now we're going to take the collar and we're going to put it down in the water. You want to make sure that it's covered and soaks up that oil. Kind of mix it up a little bit. Because like I said, water and oil don't mix very well. You want to make sure the collar gets all that on it. And you want to sit this in this solution for about 20 minutes. Then you can take it out and dry it. One thing is you want to do this about every 2 weeks to keep your pet protected. Or more frequently if it's that time of year when the pests are really prevalent, you may even want to do it more often. But this can help protect your pet from fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes. So we're going to set that aside for now. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a different one that you can use. And you can use these together to protect your pet even more. For this one, you're going to need a glass bowl. Same thing. You're going to need some kind of a container, like a salt and pepper shaker or a container that has holes. You can even make your own if you want to. They have the larger salt and pepper shakers that are probably even better than what I have. But anyways, to start, we're going to just use some cornstarch. And you use a whole cup of cornstarch. So I'm going to pour that in here. And it's kind of messy. Oh, a little bit more than we needed. That happens. Okay, we're going to pour that in here. Like I said, this is kind of messy. Okay, so we need the cornstarch. And then we're going to mix this with a few of the essential oils. This one has lavender, which is, most pets quite like lavender. So we're going to put 5 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of lavender. And we're going to use geranium. 5 drops of geranium. These are all actually have insecticide properties too. That's 4. Whoop, I got an extra, I think. That'll be all right. Geranium smells really good and lavender together, but these are really nice because it'll make your pet smell good, but they also have the insecticide properties that are going to protect your pet. And the last one is the eucalyptus again. And this one you only put 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 extra geranium will just make it smell good. Okay, so we're going to blend this all up in this cornstarch. And that's pretty amazing that you're only going to use just that much, but it is really potent. These oils are very potent, so you don't have to use very much. So you're going to mix that up in that cornstarch, and we're going to have extras, which is good. Okay, we're going to mix it good until it's all blended well, and then we're going to get it into our bottle. There might be easier ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you, kind of demonstrate. If you have a funnel, it would probably be easier to do this. And you're going to have extra you can put into a covered container to fill this up again, which is really awesome. That it makes this much with just that little bit of oil. Just think about that. That's pennies to make you a flea tick repellent powder that is going to help protect your pet in between their baths. And maybe you can use it. I think you could use this 2 or 3 times a week just to protect your pet, but also it makes them smell good. So then you just can sprinkle this on their fur, kind of rub it in a little bit, and then just give them a good brushing. They will love it, and you'll like the smell. It's amazing. It freshens their coat and helps protect them from the pests. So there you go. A couple of ideas to do for your pet. And I will do some more for pets later on, kind of in a series. But I just had to make these anyway, and I thought I would just share them in this video for you. Okay, bye.